నూడిల్స్ నూడిల్స్ అనే మాట మనం చాలాసార్లు వింటూ ఉంటాం. కానీ ఆ నూడిల్స్ అనే మాట 2014 ఆ టైంలో బాగా ఎక్కువగా అనిపించింది. ఈపాటికి నూడిల్స్ అన్న ఎందుకంటున్నానో మీకు అర్థమై ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ సీరత్ కపూర్. 'రన్ రాజా రన్' మూవీ. హాయ్ కపూర్, హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
Very well, ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
Fine, thank you. First of all, wish you happy Women's Day in advance.
Thank you so much. So kind of you. I wish all the women all across the globe a very, very happy Women's Day in advance. I think very little credit goes to them, and they spend their entire lives towards their families and loved ones. So a lot of love and strength to each of you all, and yeah, I hope you have a great year ahead.
Madam, welcome to Vizag.
Thank you so much. This is my I can't remember how many times I've visited, but my first time was very special with Run Raja Run's release. We had started promotions with Vizag, and it's fully changed. This time I've come in, it's very different. It's far more developed. So kudos to Vizag. Chala improvement ayindi, and I am so happy to see the developments here. But at the same time, I think the heart is in its place. So that's what's amazing.
మేడం, మీరు మ్యాబాజ్ కలెక్షన్ వెడ్డింగ్ కలెక్షన్ ఓపెన్ చేయడానికి వచ్చారు. ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది ఇక్కడ చూసిన తర్వాత?
చాలా బాగుంది యాక్చువల్లీ. వేరియేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, డీటెయిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, అండ్ there's one for every occasion. Sometimes I think when people are shopping it gets a little difficult for them because they get a little confused, but if you have everything in one store then it becomes easy to pick and choose what you want. So I'd highly recommend everybody to come here and shop. It completely depends on your taste and style. If you want a heavy outfit, you have heavy outfits. If you want something to look very impactful but not too much effort in styling, then again they have options for that as well, which is amazing.
What is your opinion on the marriage?
I think it's the most beautiful and purest and most innocent relationship that one can have. And especially in times today, I see that with the younger generation, the reasons to get married may change. But I'm a little old school in my thought process, and I like I mean, I've grown up watching my parents and my great grandparents being in love for those many years. So I think it's a beautiful thing, but at the same time it's extremely important to marry the right partner. I think sometimes people do it because they feel it's a formality. Above the formality, I think what's important is the right person.
రన్ రాజా రన్ తర్వాత మీరు అంతగా తెలుగు స్క్రీన్ కనిపించడం లేదు, మళ్ళీ కనిపించే అవకాశం ఉందా?
ये गलत है एक्चुअली. मैंने so far I think 15 फिल्म्स हो गए हैं सिंस रन राजा रन. बट रन राजा रन आप जो बोल रहे हैं ना, इट्स बिकॉज वो फिल्म ही इतनी बड़ी ब्लॉकबस्टर बनी. That no matter what I did after that, everyone still remembered Run Raja Run, which was always amazing. I feel blessed to be remembered by my debut character. It was really a dream come true for me, and to be accepted into the South film industry with such wide, loving, open arms has always been great.
Any future films, madam, in Telugu?
Yes, there's one coming up with J.D. Chakravarti sir. It's a pan film release, releasing in all languages. Announcements have again been shared, and as of now, as we speak, It's Complicated is in the theaters, guys. So whoever hasn't watched it, please do go ahead and watch it.
Okay, right. ఇది శరత్ కపూర్ అలా బిజీగా ఉన్నారు. ఆమె మరి కాసేపట్లోనే ఫ్లైట్కి వెళ్ళాల్సినప్పటికీ కూడా మన కోసం సమయం కేటాయించారు. సో ఇది ఆమె తెలియజేసిన విషయాలు. రన్ రాజా రన్ తర్వాత కూడా ఆమె అనేక చిత్రాల్లో నటించారు. ఇక వెడ్డింగ్ సంబంధించి అదొక పవిత్రమైన బంధమని, ఒక రెండు జీవితాలు ముడిసి బంధం అని చెప్పి ఆమె తెలియజేస్తున్నారు. ఇది ఓవరాల్ పరిస్థితి. వీడియో జర్నలిస్ట్ హేమంత్ జగదీష్ కుమార్, డేట్ లైన్ వైజాగ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.